Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai pi baro gini gilongi khubor bam ta kasni Uba ni kholas khar kamni Uba pau pat ba kum unik RJ ne hey kapla yo ubdeiru unong khari ki jabo Japan but unong pen khuid mariang hagajilla Ula syapen kup buram dakanam Go Eco Green Ambassador haga winter tail kabla long hanan polok Wordsley. Ya ketika kusnam la sam da umintri katnat jokai perthei Utimothi di Shira haringkat ka director katnat tourism ka kongbi pakenten MCS. Nalor kanam buram uba Nicholas ula yok ru ka momento bar kasong pisa arpo hajar tingka. Uba Nicholas khar kamni way ne kiriu pat ba uba jupin sautu pat ba halor ka jingko jingsuba lingba kilat pathai khubor bat ke social media kum ubaday radio personality bapau ula pendun kam yala ka rinsan ban pin seng jingmun ha ka bayaday ba ka jingpin jakhya mariang ka jingdan kam ban pin khut jabo da ka rukam ka baday ka jingdawa ban nongkit khri ba khut ka suba ban ka jingyada yaki ecosystem jong kachilla. Hagajing friend jong u hadian bala ai kusnam uba Nicholas ulaong ba usok mi lenti gani gajing ai buram but wai kublai ya ka sorkar but kinong pelong ya ka winter tail. Ula pen kan mauru ba kadon ka shingot jabo ka bahe hagate ka than words late ka badai ban shimkiano mardor da ki bor badai bang. Namar kalong gajing le jong ki pat ba ban wanra jing shongsung lane jing pen skosi ya ka mariang. Ulai ka jingkermen bagi pat ba kin yai trailang kin long ki ba responsible but kin kershani ki jing pen khut mariang kum ka jing im ka ba man la ka sngi
He's a Shillong-based radio personality and eco-activist who uses his public platform to campaign against pollution, poor waste management and environmental neglect in Meghalaya. Through awareness drives, social media campaigns and participation in official committees on river rejuvenation and waste management, he advocates for cleaner cities, responsible citizenship and protection of local ecosystems. Ladies and gentlemen, please make a round of noise for our very own RJ Nikki. Gentlemen, the category that he is being honored is Green Ambassador.
Nikki, look at.
Thank you so much. Just a little correction. Former radio jockey. I'm a full-time social and eco-activist now. So everybody, my Meghalaya! Come on! Say it with the feeling that you all have for this beautiful state of ours. My Meghalaya! But I take this token of appreciation from Winter Tales and the government of Meghalaya with humility. Just giving a reminder that right now a huge pile of trash is right there at Sorkar. Sir, if you can pass on that message to Honorable Chief Minister to be addressed. Huge pile of waste right there at Sorkar. The DC knows about it. It needs to be done something ASAP, sir. So we'll really appreciate if that is done. Right. Thank you so very much once again. Big shout out to Winter Tales. Ladies and gentlemen, put our hands together. And much appreciation to our Green Santa who has been part of this initiative. This collab has been fantastic. You all have loved our collaboration and looking forward for many more such initiatives in the days and years to come. Thank you so very much. God bless.
Wonderful.
Thanks.
And our next winner, ladies and gentlemen, for Reduce, Reuse and Recycle